I've been wanting to do this tutorial for a long time now. Authentication, logging in, signing up, signing in, signing out, logging out. All of that complexity is going to boil down in this short, hopefully short, YouTube tutorial. Now, if you want to ask me on a one-on-one call about your SwiftUI project or iOS development, go ahead and check out rebeloper.com and you can book a one-on-one mentoring session with me. Okay, so what I have done is basically started off with a brand new Xcode project, and we are going to create an authentication system for a SwiftUI project. So I'm just going to go and add everything into one file, but feel free to just separate everything else, everything out into their separate folders and files. So currently we just have this hello world text and the globe, and we want to kind of simulate how we are going to authenticate and sign out and all the steps in between. So let's just talk about what we would get from a server. So the server, we just usually just going to give us back either if we are authenticated or if we are not authenticated. So let's create an enum for that. So enum, let's say server auth state. We have two cases, authenticated and then not authenticated. Okay, let's just have also comma right over here, not a dot. So authenticated and not authenticated. But as you will see throughout this tutorial, this is not quite enough for user experience inside our application. So we want to create a seamless user experience with some other cases, meaning either, for example, if we haven't connected to our server just yet, it's undefined. So we don't know if we are authenticated or if we are not authenticated. Also, another case would be when we are in the progress of authenticating. So that would be our second enum over here. Let me just have a little bit more space. So we just have an enum of auth state, not server auth state, but the internal auth state inside our application. And we would also have these two cases. So let me just copy these out. But before that, I'm just going to add undefined. So when we actually don't know if we are authenticated or not authenticated, and then authenticating. So we are in the process of authenticating our users.